guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be doing another TikTok made me buy it video for you guys today. So I'm going to be trying eyelashes. I have eyelashes, fake eyelashes today. So I saw this TikTok and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it, of course, like I always do. These are my natural lashes right now. So I have naturally long lashes that look like falsies, and people ask me all the time if they're real, if they're mine, or stuff like that. And I always say, yes, they're mine, thank you. But I love using false lashes because sometimes it just puts together a perfect makeup look. So today we're going to be trying the Ardell, the fake mink lashes. So this is what it looks like. I got it at Walgreens. It was literally like $5. And since I don't normally wear eyelashes, I had to buy some glue too. So I heard this is a really good one. It's the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And that's what that looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's try out these lashes. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm not usually someone who wears false lashes, so this is gonna be a little difficult for me. So this is what they look like outside of the packaging. I think they look so cute, and I tried to pick ones that I would actually like or would wear again. I don't have any tweezers or anything like that, so this could be a total disaster, not gonna lie. So it says we have to, let's see, figure it out. Oh dang, I guess I could put it on without the glue for now. This is the difference. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I'm kind of obsessed. Oh my god. Okay, so we're not gonna apply the glue right now because I'm honestly probably not gonna wear them today because I don't want to ruin them. We're just gonna try them out and see how they go. Okay, we gotta put the other ones on. I can't give you a full review until they're completely on. I'm kind of like obsessed. I think I put them on the wrong eyes. Probably. Let's try it. Can you hear my Diet Coke fizzling? I just opened it and it's like hardcore fizzling right now. So I'm probably gonna have to cut them a little bit. Oh my god. Okay, this one's bothering me. Hold on. Put it a little out more. Okay. This one I'm struggling with. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I had to put a little glue on this one. And oh my gosh, these are amazing. And they said that they look like eyelash extensions, like, you know, the hybrid lashes, like those. I'm kind of obsessed. Oh my god, I never thought I would like the way I looked with falsies, like especially like this dramatic. They're not like crazy, but like for me it's a huge difference. But like, oh my god, I'm kind of living for them. And I can never put on falsies, and I put these on. Wow, I feel like a whole new person. I'm obsessed. I totally recommend these lashes, the fake mink, whatever it's called. Definitely go get them at your local, wherever. They have them everywhere, honestly. I'm obsessed. I think they're amazing. I didn't think I would fall in love with lashes like this, but I totally give them a 10 out of 10. Like, they're awesome. And I have another pair that I'm gonna try for a video for you guys later, and those are more natural looking, but these are beautiful. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely highly recommend these lashes for you guys. These are so pretty, it's not even funny. So if you get these lashes, or if you've tried these lashes before, definitely tell me down below. I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.